one is the Greek culture, as you can see.
Expositores,
The
tenemos
second
ya
one
aquí los
is the French
boletos
culture.
para el minaret para que les
Of the
enseñes
north.
el día.
For the staircase, you know. And we can also see apples and a lot of fruits.
Oh, in the ceiling, yes. 1852.
And the important thing in this room, windows. Because the owner of this house has to watch to the workers and the land every day and every moment. So if he was like taking the tea, he can take it here or here or here or here, and he can see the land through the mirrors and the windows. Yeah, he have I don't know how to say nephew. If you want to take some these pictures, you can take it.
Gracias.
Okay. The important thing in the office was that the chair had to watch through the window. Why? Because the doctor wants to create like a connection with the important people when they were firm, like important papers. He wants to show them the lands and the workers, all those things that because they want to, they think, oh, he's a powerful person. I have to do business with the doctor.
Okay. It's a nice balcony.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty.
This was the dining room, and the important thing to say in this room is that if we leave those years, we will never be able to go to this part of the house because when they had people in the house like parents or things like that, and we outside the door. The reason that the ceilings are less beautiful than these because more people can see this part of the house and less people. Only the family go through this part. This is the smallest. Exists one that is called, I don't know if Saint Anna or Saint Luisa, I don't know. But in that house they have a theater, a church, and a lot of more things. This is the smallest. The important thing is that this is the smallest door in all the house because the doctor wants to make like a reminder to the workers that the workers were less than the family, you know? And the family don't go to the stairs. They use an elevator. So if the family use this door and this stairs was like a shame to the family. This is the balcony of the house, and this is the tower, the minaret. This is the more of the
have Athena, the Greek goddess, and she is shown, or a part of the accessory of the house, frequently, and lots of shells all around.
Here's the main personal bathroom here. They have a lot of workers in the house that when they want to take a shower, the workers came to shower them. We have like a word to say, hey, be careful. It's aguas, the word. That's because in those times when they want to throw
the water,
water, they say aguas. So now we use that word to
Aguas.
say be careful.
Oh, aguas.
Pásale, por favor. Hola.
Of the house want to scare to the workers.
Ah, this is Hades, god of the underworld. Do you have anything else to say? Or?
Yeah, here in
The basement.
where, we can find the kitchen and the laundry room. But live only 7 of the 17 workers of the house.
Neoclassical, eclectic architecture, and you can see the lovely furniture. Oh wow, look at this beautiful chandelier. I feel like I'm in France right now. So you can see big mirrors and tall ceilings, kind of like the last place, the library. It's a bit darker in here, but I think you can, it's like they're repairing something. But you can see the books in there. Desk, very old. Look at this lovely glass addition here. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, look at the chandelier in here. Muy grande. Muy grande. And this is a very muy grande espejo. Ooh. Wow, look at the lovely dining room. How beautiful. The fine china. It's absolutely spectacular. Including this glass in here. Now I found a little interesting cabinet in here. You can see old hair brushes for the hair, jewelry box, and of course it looks like a nice material. This is a razor. Gillette shaving blade. That is really interesting. And a mirror. You could see the jewelry box there. Then you see the binoculars. That's really, really cool. Ooh, look at this, how nice. Stunning, stunning. Every room is stunning. So the bedroom has a nice balcony. This is a Chichi Maria's bedroom. See the mirror there. You can see the mirror and the wardrobe there. Hats. And I wanted to, oh look, this is a El Baño, it looks like. This is an old shower. The bathtub. Okay. And then we have some, this looks really pretty and girly, which is what I like. Oh, the perfumes here. Oh my god, I love the drawing of the Victorian men chasing after the females. Really interesting. Really cool. I like this mirror here, very pretty. Oh, okay, I'm coming. Cute dolls. I don't know if I showed you from this angle, probably not. This is the bed, and then you see Jesus, Jesus, and this looks out to the terrace. How lovely.
Y después se retiran a sus casas.
Okay. We are in the basement right now. As you can see, it's a bit dark. And they have pantries, kitchen, cocina, and storage for things that, it's like a cellar or storage area for things that people would use for the house. Glasses, tableware, cutlery, antique objects. This is typewriters. Oh, vino, wine. It is a bit creepier down here, but just has some old antiques and things, which is very interesting. Muy interesante. Some more antiques. More antiques. Vintage. Oh, look at Vogue. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that looks like a 1920s flapper from Europe. Oh, a record player. That's cool. Singer sewing machines. I know it's kind of dark, but they have Singer sewing machines. Things for washing.